and I welcome you all to my channel Polly's World. सबसे पहले मुझे ये बताइए कि आप सब कैसे हैं? I hope you all are doing great in your life. Well, you have already seen some of my old videos on Diwali decoration, which I have made in the year 2020. अगर आपने नहीं देखा है तो कोई बात नहीं. I have added the link in the description box and some of the videos I have added in cards also. तो आपके ऊपर वहाँ YouTube के चैनल में पॉपअप होगा वो, तो आप वहाँ जाके भी देख सकते हैं. So this time also दिवाली आने वाली है, so I have some DIY projects for you all. So let's see इस बार मैंने क्या बनाया है. Just let me show you. Yeah. So I have made some DIY candles this time, colorful and attractive candles. तो अगर आप चाहें तो आप भी बना सकते हैं. I hope you will like this video and you will try this at home as well. At first I will melt some colored wax pellets. Now as you can see, I have taken two silicone cylindrical jar which is 100 ml each. Now in one of the jar I will put the wax wick and I will uphold it straight with the help of two sketch pens. And now I am going to pour the melted wax into the jar. I have used sketch pens over here. अगर आप चाहें तो किसी और चीज़ का भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं, कोई bamboo stick या wooden stick का. And now I am going to repeat the step with the other jar as well. One more thing, if you don't have silicone jars, there is no need to worry. You can even use paper cups instead of silicone jars. Leave the jars until the wax gets settled completely, and then you can remove the sketch pens and just loosen the walls of the jars as I am showing in the video. Now heat some water, bring it to boil and put the jars into the water. Keep the jars for 20 to 30 seconds. And you will observe कि जो अंदर का wax है वो धीरे धीरे melt हो रहा है and it will help you to pull out the candles easily. तो लीजिए हमारा बेस कैंडल तैयार है. इसी तरह आप दूसरे कैंडल्स को भी पुल कर सकते हैं स्लोली. ये भी बहुत इजीली बाहर आ जाएगा. एंड द अदर वन इज ऑल्सो रेडी. एंड नाउ इट्स टाइम टू मेक सम फ्लावर्स. So I'm using flower shaped silicone molds over here and I'm going to spread some sparkles on it. और उसके बाद same usual process, we will melt some wax pellet and then we'll pour it on the mold. So this way you can make various flowers by using these molds, and these molds are easily available in the market. So this way you can make wax flowers by using sparkles, or else you can even use one solid colored wax to make your flowers. या फिर आप 2 या 3 colored wax mix करके भी अपना flowers बना सकते हैं. Even I have tried some of mixed colored wax flowers, which you can see at the end of this video. Just look at the flowers, they are looking so beautiful. So this way I have prepared so many flowers which I am going to use to decorate my candles. And you can see so many flowers over here. So I have prepared all these flowers by using colored wax palette, and now I'm going to use these flowers to decorate my candles. So you can see circular shaped wax over here. ये भी मैंने same process में silicone mold use करके बनाया है. And now I'm going to decorate my candles this way. So even you can try this process. This is really cool and very easy, and it will make your candles really beautiful, colorful and attractive. So I will suggest you must try this DIY project. So these are my final products. I have made so many candles by using this colored wax palette. And friends, trust me, these are really cool, beautiful, colorful and attractive. और हाँ, अगर आपको ऐसा लगे कि इसे जलाने से आपका पूरा वैक्स मेल्ट हो जाएगा, तो मैं आपको एक एडवाइस दे सकती हूँ कि आप कुछ कैंडल्स अपने होम डेकोर के लिए भी रख सकते हैं. मतलब उसे कभी मत जलाइए, जस्ट फॉर डेकोरेशन रख दीजिए. So friends, I hope you loved the idea of this DIY project. So please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you are new to my channel, then also don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Subscribe के पास भी ना एक bell icon है, just press it so that whenever I post any new videos, you will get the updates first. So see you next time with another new video on some DIY projects. So take care and stay healthy. Bye bye.